Hello and welcome everyone to MBAP's YouTube channel. Today we bring you with a very motivating story of a student Adya Neeraj who was the Miss India finalist and also a law student. She was a Miss India finalist I think in the year 2016, and in CAT 2019 she cracked CAT in just 3 months of time. Mind you students, she was a law student and then she did not have any cons background for like close to 5 years, but still in a span of 3 months of time she was able to crack the exam. Okay, so what we're going to show you today in this video is she gave an interview to one of the websites recently, a magazine recently. From that I have taken the most important excerpts, okay, and I'm going to share that with all the students here so that you understand that this is the strategy that she followed to crack CAT in just 3 months of time. So what you guys can bring in change in your schedule for the last 2 months of time that you have. Let's go ahead. So before I just go into the interview, okay, just telling you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have daily updates coming up. Also follow us on Instagram because we have daily current affairs, okay, free questions, guidance videos coming up on both these platforms. Now over here, if you see, like her percentile is given to you, okay, that 96.69 was her overall CAT 2019 percentile. Look at here, okay, 80 percentile in cons. So her cons section was poor, that's why she scored 80 percentile there, but verbal she made it 99.73. So understand, whatever is your strength area, you have to make sure that you're like super awesome, very good in that. Okay, LRDI she managed somehow, okay, like close to 90-91 percentile with 80. Also overall 96 percentile she was able to get, and with that she cracked IIM Ahmedabad. So let us go ahead and just see that what was her overall strategy. You guys can stop this, pause this video and see it. Okay, read through the interview. I'm going to tell you or talk to you more about the preparation strategy that she followed. Okay, so see, when it was asked over about her overall strategy, said that cons was something that she was not in touch with since past 5 years. Okay, this is what she was. This is her background with regards to cons, but then her LR and VA was better. Okay, but then understand this thing, her VA is better. She knew this, but still she did read newspapers every day. She was reading these newspapers every day. It's not that she thought that I'm good at verbal, so I'll not study verbal, I'll come to it later on. Nothing like that. She made sure, even in here, even in this answer where it was asked very specifically with regards to the VA RC strategy that she read newspapers every day. She was working on improving her reading speed. Okay, she was reading editorials. So understand guys that whatever is your strength area, make sure that these final days you don't miss it and you don't say that no, ye to mera acha hai, I'll come to this later on and I'll work on my weakness, okay, my weak areas. No, nothing like that. Your strength area is something that is going to help you reach to that very good score. Because if she wouldn't have scored a 99 percentile in verbal, definitely she wouldn't have got a 96 overall. So understand guys, you have to make your strength area like awesome, the impeccable. Okay, no one should reach there like that. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the cons strategy. Okay, now I mean, as you just heard before that she had only 3 months of time, so she's saying that okay, extremely short of time that she had, and she focused mainly on arithmetic. Now if you guys have seen my video that I posted on my channel yesterday only, I said that someone who's weak in cons, okay, these students should focus on arithmetic plus geometry. Rest all you can leave. Rest all, if even if you want to leave it. But then see here, okay, this is the practical example I'm giving you. Question from arithmetic from the bulk of questions in CAT, and that is what she focused a lot, and that helped us, helped her score 80 percentile. Okay, so how did she overcome the challenges of cons and DI section? So basically for DI she did one difficult set every day. Okay, and I have told my students that do this from the previous year CAT papers, the actual difficulty level of CAT. Okay, you will be solving the right level of sets. All right, so let us see. So this is for the non-engineer specifically, because she was a law student. Okay, a lot of non-engineers think that this CAT is not possible for non-engineers, only engineers can crack it. I think she has got a very good point at here, that CAT is not all about cons. CAT is not all about counts. Okay, there are other sections as well. So that is what, and ideally she followed that strategy to score 99 in verbal, 99 in LRDI, and 80 in cons, and that with that she reached to a 96 overall. Understand, guys? Okay. In fact, non-engineers do get relaxation in the VAT PI. This is she is bang on, because obviously when the college has got more of engineers applying, so the non-engineers are going to have advantage of profile. Okay. So that is definitely a great motivation for the non-engineers. I would want you guys to read through the entire interview, pause the video, and see this. If a student like this can make it happen in a 3 months of time, definitely it is possible for every one of you to do it. But yes, one thing is very sure. Okay, you guys need to be motivated enough, put in that daily effort, everyday basis, working on your strength area and your weakness is the most important thing. I would like you guys to share this video with your friends. Okay, if you like the video, please click on the like button so that we can reach out to more and more people. Thank you.